Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. I just came out of the shower. I am about to go and get my hair done. I'm a little bit nervous because I usually don't get my hair done in December. I usually do like major hair changes in May around my natural hair anniversary, but my hair was starting to, I didn't like the shape of my hair. It was starting to look a little bit weird. So I booked a salon visit and then decided to do something crazy because, you know, I like to do crazy things every once in a while with my hair. So I'm super excited to take you guys along with me for the ride. So I just got in the car. I am about to head out. I did my weekend beat, which is super, super light, just like powder. I think Bare Minerals Blemish Rescue powder and a little bit of concealer under my eyes. I actually hate when people drive and do videos, so I find it to be very unsafe. So I am going to not do that. I'm going to turn you guys off and I'm going to drive over to Barri Salon.
Right? What were you thinking?
I don't know anymore. This looks so healthy.
I'm not gonna shave it.
This is like, I feel like this is super short, but
That is neck. That is like here. You'd have a totally different fro when you cut it and we take it.
I'm down with that.
You want to
Yeah.
do that? Okay.
Yeah. Maybe like a half an inch lower.
So you want it below your back hair.
So I just got out of the salon. I absolutely love my hair. It has so much body and shine. Ooh, this bang is doing a lot. Oh, it looks so good. I can't deal. I like can't deal. I've always wanted a bob. Have never done it before. But yeah, there was no reason to like wait until 2019 and do the thing I wanted to do. So I went ahead and got myself a little bob, and I absolutely love it. I can't wait to see what it looks like when I wash my hair. And I'm hoping that tonight I can like not sweat when I go to sleep. So I'm about to turn the heat down when I get home so I don't sweat at all overnight. Hopefully this will look just as good tomorrow when I, you know, do my face up and look a little cuter. So I just had such a good experience, and I'm really happy right now. Anyways, that's all. Thanks for watching.